Roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. We offer shingles in a variety of colors to protect and beautify your home. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We use only the best quality materials. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 434-406-4102.